Next page number 114. There I have the four questions. Four questions. Important side taking. Okay, other you try. Okay. First question. The figure showing the triangle and its circle. Page number 114. What is the radius of the circle? There is circle given. There is circle given. There is triangle given. And here 3 centimeter. And here 60 degree. Here A, B, C. That is I given. Okay, not given in the question. Here up is C. C. Okay. Here asking question. Find the radius of the circle. Radius. Radius means last video is already sent. Find the diameter. Find the diameter and make it half. Radius getting. So radius here. Diameter. First find diameter. Like this diameter. This is the diameter. D writing and joining here. You know angle in a semicircle always 90 degree. This is the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, not trigonometry using. So here 60 degree means here also 60 degree. 60 degree. Here, look, this is the opposite. This angle is opposite. This is the hypotenuse. This is the adjacent. We have to find the hypotenuse. But you know opposite. What is you have to find? What is you know? That is you have to take. Opposite you know and hypotenuse you have to find. Don't take the help of adjacent. This is known as sine. Sine 60 degree. Don't take the help of 60 degrees from the textbook. 60 degree and 30 degree and 45 degrees ratio you have to study and keep. That already I given. Again I given here 60 degrees ratio. 60 degree front 3, here 1, here 2. 60 degree ratio. Use this and solve it. Here opposite 3 centimeter, 3.5. Here hypotenuse is AD. Sin 60. Look this and writing. Okay. Sin 60 means what? Sin 60. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. 1 by 2. Tan means opposite by adjacent. Root 3 by 1. But you are asking what? Sin 60. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite to root 3. By hypotenuse 2. Now crossing like this. Crossing. Root 3 into AD is equal to 2 into 3 is 6. And AD is equal to 6 by root 3. This full 6 by root 3. 6 by root 3. Otherwise, no, you can continue this step. Root 3 multiply numerator and denominator to eliminating the root in the denominator. Otherwise, this answer is okay. You are getting what now? 6 root 3 by 3. Root 3 into root 3, root 9. Root 9 is 3. And 1s are 2s are. Answer 2 root 3. 2 root 3. 6 by root 3 or 2 root 3. Anything you can use. Understood now? What is asking? Diameter not. Radius asking. Radius. So radius is equal to 6 root 3 is half. Means 3 root 3. If using this one, no? Radius 2 root 3 half root 3. Both same, okay. You can use any one. Same page, page number 114, question number 2. That you can solve, but I give you a little idea. Question number 2. What is the circumradius of equilateral triangle of side 8 centimeter? Equilateral triangle of circumradius. Circumradius means like this. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Here 8, here 8, here 8. Angle also 60 degree. You're asking what is the radius. Now I teach it. No, same like that. Radius, draw like this and join it. Here 90 degree. Here C. Here also 60 degree. Opposite by hypotenuse. Now did no, same like that. Now did same like that. Yes, okay. Getting answer. Opposite by hypotenuse. Sin 60. Sin 60 draw side work 1 root 3 by 2. Question number, same page, question number 3. Question number 3, a circle given, circle is given. This is the triangle, all vertices of the triangle on the circle, and 70 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree. 70 degree, 50 degree, 60 degree given. You know total angle of the triangle is 180 degree. You know, just give the name A, B, C in 4 centimeter. Like this solved okay, by this one question. Here first question, compute the diameter of the circle. Easy, okay. Diameter. Like this do. Here center, dot line and join here. You know angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Here 90 degree full. Here B, here also 70 degree. Here 70 degree. Angle in the same segment. Here 70 means here 70. This is opposite. This is the hypotenuse. This is adjacent. What do you have to find? Hypotenuse you have to find. What do you know? Opposite you know. This is sine 70 degree. Sine 70 degree will give in the question paper, and 60 and 30, 45 will not give. Sine 70 is 0.94 or 93, both same. 0.93, opposite is 4, by hypotenuse is BD. This is, and by 1 cross it, I just cross it. 0.93 into BD is equal to 1 into 4, 4. Then BD is equal to 4 by 0.93. Here into 100 into 100 means 400 by 93. Dividing. Why I divide by into 100? Because here 2 decimal point in denominator. 1 decimal point means you have to multiply 10. If it is 2 decimal point, 100. If it is 3 decimal means 1000. What is you multiply in the denominator? Same you have to multiply in the numerator. Here 100 means here also 100. 4 into 100 is 400 by 93. And you have to divide. This is you have to divide. Look how dividing this one. Just division method you have to use. You know 400 inside and 93 is outside. 4 times is moving. 93 is 4 times. 93 4 times how much? 12 and 36 37 372. 372. You have to subtract. You will get 8 because here 9 9 28. Point here 0. Maybe here 2 times 4.2. Okay. Diameter you got 4.2. Diameter 4.2. First question solved. Next is asking same question. Question number 3, page number 114. Question number 3. Sub question is 2. Compute the length of the other 2 sides of the triangle. Other 2 sides means AB have to find, and you have to find AC. These 2 sides you have to find. Other 2 sides means it is number of times it's repeated. Okay, very very important question this one. Number of times repeated. Other 2 sides are finding. A question answer understood. No, diameter is 4.2 centimeter. Diameter 4.2 centimeter. I hope you are written A answer, B second answer. Question number 3, second one I solving now. Look, first finding AB, side AB finding. Question number third question, second option. You have to find AB. AB equal to diameter into AB. Now finding diameter into this side's opposite which angle? 60. That is sine 60 you have to take. This is like everything doing the finding the sides. If you want to find the AC means side AC means AC. How will find AC? AC is equal to diameter into AC. This is opposite to how much angle? 50. So sine 50 you have to take. Like this. Okay, missing side finding. So now okay, first finding this one AB. How finding AB? AB equal to side AB equal to diameter. Diameter you already found into this sides opposite which angle 60. Sine 60. Here diameter how much? 4.2. You know sine 60 will not give in the question paper. 60 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. You have to find keep the margins. It's a ratio. 60 degree ratio already told. Again I drawing here 60 degree. 60. Your root 3, 1, 2. So sine 60 opposite by hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2. Okay, this can cut on the 2.1. 2.1 root 3. 2.1 root 3. Now finding same method to AC. To finding AC. Yes, understood, no? To finding AC. Look how finding AC. AC is equal to, this is side AC, diameter into AC, no AC. This is AC. This is opposite how much degree? 50. Sine 50. Sine 50 degree. So diameter how much? Diameter 4.2. Sine 50. Sine 50 from the textbook. Here in a textbook, last page. Sine 50 already before I given 0.76. This just multiplying. Okay. 4.2 into 0.76. 6 2s are 12. 6 4s are 24, 25. 14. 28, 29. 2, 9, 11, 3. After 3 digit. 3.192. 3.192. This question, like this question already I solved in the last class. Okay. Now question number 5th I taking. Okay, 5th one. Question number 5th. 5th. 4th I will say later. 5th one. 5th question. Question number 5th. Question number 5th. Look, question number 5th how doing? Question number 5th. There is the picture below of showing the part of the circle. Part of the circle. Like this given. Not a circle, semicircle. Circle's part given. And here from here one angle produced here. This angle is 140 degree. The distance between this and to this end 8 centimeter. You can use a scale, okay, to find 8 centimeter. Not a circle, circle's part. What is the radius of the circle? This if it is drawing radius, that radius circle asking. So I completing this circle completing. Okay, circle completing. It is the part of the circle. If it is a full circle, what is its radius asking? It is not a diameter. Okay, 8 centimeter not diameter. It is not a semicircle. Part of the circle, a small arc. Okay, I am going to completing on rough figure circle. This is the rough figure. Now what do you know? Same before technique I am going to use. How do you look at this one? I am marking one point here and joining like this, joining. Here 40 means, here 140 means here 40, because sum of angle of opposite angle of cyclic quadrilaterals 180, all right, all. One quadrilaterals, 4 vertices touching, opposite angle adding means 180 getting. Now getting the radius, look how finding. Join here on center, give your name A, B, C, then draw the radius, means diameter. This is the diameter, and join here. Now this is angle is 90, before I told. It is I drawn it is before right, it is what reciprocal, okay, up to down. This is right angle triangle. It is 40 means here 40 angle in the same segment. This angles, this is opposite. This is hypotenuse, 90 is opposite. We have to find what opposite by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse getting means make half radius getting. So opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse, it is sine 40 degree. Sine 40 degree. Sine 40 degree from the textbook, getting the table. Sine 40, 0.64. 0.64. Opposite 8. Hypotenuse AD. By 1, cross it. 1 into 8 here. First this one. 0.64 into AD by 1 into 8. AD is equal to 8 by 0.64. Then into 100. Into 100. Here 800 by AD is equal to 800 by 64. Division 64 ones are 64. 16 2s are 128. 2s are 32 point 0 5 are 12.5. 12.5. So radius is equal to 12.5 by 2, half of this one. Okay, but one question I told no, that is you can do. Question number 4. A circle is drawn passing through the end of the line 5 cm long, and angle on the circle on the side of the line should be 8. What should be the radius? This is same as like this. A circle. Question number 4. Okay, a circle is drawn passing through the end of the line. One line that is 5 cm. And angle of the circle on the side of the should be 80 degree. 80 degree. Here 8. Here find the radius. Same technique. Okay, center. Here 90 degree, and same technique, opposite by hypotenuse. So same way that getting. Okay, complete the notes and submit.